One thing that is always there in your exam is distance, speed, and time. Let's see. Paul and Fintan finished the race in time of 366.43 seconds. Find the average speed. Give your answer in meters per second, correct to 2 decimal place. So when you are seeing that word average speed, you know this is about the formula distance, speed, and time. This time we are looking for speed. That means that will be distance divided by time. Now, it's part B of a question. I know we don't have distance in this particular part given. We are mentioned the time. Now, the race was, we are told in the beginning of the question, was 2,000 meters. Now, one thing you have to be careful with distance, speed, and time formula is that you have to watch measurement. So distance is what? 200 meters, and the time we are told is 366.43 seconds. So the outcome of that calculation, the measurement, will be meters per second, and that's what we have to give them. So that's fine. We don't have to change anything. So we put that in the calculator and we get 5.45806. We have to give it to 2 decimal place, so we cut off 8, and because of we cut off 8, we have to add up 1, so 5.46 meters per second. Now let's have a look at the second part. Paul and Fintan also won gold at the 2022 World Championship over the same distance, 2,000 meters. In that race, they rode at an average speed of 5.31 meters per second. So therefore, how long did it take them to finish a race? This time we are looking for time. So that means we're going to be dividing distance by speed. Now, how do we have to give our answer? In minutes and seconds. So we have to mind that. Okay, so the distance is what? 2,000 meters. And the speed is 5.31 meters per second. What will happen with the measurements here? So what you have meters are divided by meters per second. And when we have division that involve fraction, we multiply and turn the second fraction upside down. So meters will simplify and we are left with seconds. So the answer here will be in seconds. So when we put that in the calculator, we get 376.6478 seconds. We need minutes and seconds. So how do we convert that to minutes and seconds? So we are saying 376.6478 seconds. We are asking ourselves a question, well, how much is that in minutes? So conversion will work here. We understand that in 1 minute we have how many? 60. Oh, that should be blue. 60 seconds. The thing with conversion, the main thing is comparing like with like. And how do we solve it? We cross multiply it. So 1 multiplied by our 376.6478, and that will equal x multiplied by 60. So here we know we want that value of x, therefore we divide both sides by 60, and we get that this number is 6.27746. Now that's still not finished. We understand that that means 6 minutes, but how many seconds? It doesn't mean 27 seconds. We have to take that remainder, 0.27746, and multiply by 60 seconds to find what fraction of seconds we have. And when we put that in the calculator, we get 16.647, and to the nearest second, we have to add up 1, therefore 17 seconds. So that's our answer, 6 minutes and 17 seconds. So conversion, like I'm saying, distance, speed, and time always there. Just be mindful of the measurement. Very often to give the final answer, we have to convert.